listen. Boop, boop. Well, hello there. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kyra Sean. Today's video is brought to you by Hurela Hair. They were kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, and your girl got her big Libra energy on deck with her water, okay? Because I wanted to skip the wine today because Kenny may be coming home this weekend where I may need to turn up and I can't go over my calories, okay? Now, before we get into my install, just know I will be showing you guys exactly how I got this unit from A to Slay, but I will be taking the hair down with y'all to show you guys the final look. I'm hoping that it comes out the way I want it to because I hate to see my efforts go to waste. Okay, we don't want that. We don't want that, do we, Brenda? I mean, never mind. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, I got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one.
Lately nothing goes in my direction. Lately nothing's coming my way. Keep drowning every bit of my devotion, sinking deeper every day. And lately I am missing my reflection in every muddy puddle on the pavement, driving every thought into
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Hurela Hair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, as well as any coupon codes that I may have will be linked down in the description box. So if you want to check this unit out, you definitely can, especially if you want to save some coin, okay? Now before I take these rods out, if you watched the install, you saw that I went through a little bit of work to get this unit like this. Okay, Big Bertha made her way back into the fray, okay, boop. This shirt just makes me laugh, I don't know why. Oh, I'm childish. But so 6 big old curls with Big Bertha, and then I did 6 flexi rods. Now you did see I cut some layers into their hair, just very simple because the ends were a little scraggly. So I wanted to make sure I gave my curls a fighting chance to last at least an hour. Okay, at least an hour. So hopefully cutting the layers into my unit will definitely give it some body and shape and allow the curls to last a little bit longer. Okay, now I did go in and co-wash my unit and then I blow dried her. It comes in a body wave texture, so it does have some wave in the unit. Some of the wave did come back when I went in to wash it. I would definitely say the frontal, or not the frontal, but the closure that's on this unit, it came a little humpy, so you know, be mindful of that. You will need to go in with your products, whether it's your blow dryer on high heat or your I'm about to say flat iron, your hot comb or any other hot tool that you have. Go ahead and flatten that out as much as possible, because if not, you're gonna have a little cone right here in the middle, and that's not cute, Pauline. Okay, that's not cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this out right now, and then we're gonna come back and talk about what I think about this unit as a whole. Okay, let's do this.
I promise it could happen any day now, and soon enough I'll also see the light, get a little glimpse of my emotions. Yeah, I will get it, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feeling's gonna make me smile.
Y'all, we did it. I mean, I did it, but you know, if you do it too, then you know, you'll do it. So, you know, we in this together. Listen. Boop, boop. So now I know what to do. I can stop wasting my time curling my wigs over and over. Use the flexi rods. Y'all have seen me struggling when it comes to keeping curls in my unit, and I always tell you guys, set your curls, they will last longer. Here's the proof. Okay, here is the proof. Y'all saw me curl it, you saw me set it with my flexi rods, and then I left them in for about an hour while I did my makeup, and y'all, listen, came on together, came on together. The lace was a little ashy and I didn't think it was gonna take my products, so go in heavy-handed with your powder products to get your lace together, and then you can top it with your contour shade, you know, your creamy contour. So based on that, the lace is pretty good because it does take the products really well. However, out the pack, she ashy. Okay, so do your thing. So my unit is about $130 with no coupon. Okay, listen. You may want to go ahead and hop on this joint. I'm just saying. I mean, it took a little bit of work, but I was watching True Bloods because, you know, I just started watching that, and y'all, I'm hooked. You hear me? But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Hurela Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link and the specs down below, so if you guys want to check this unit out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.